Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Makita DDG461Z battery-powered auger is designed to ensure efficiency and reliability in drilling operations on terrains of varying consistencies. The automatic torque drive technology, ADT, automatically adjusts the speed based on the workload, allowing for optimal performance. This approach ensures that the tool can operate with precision and adequate power on any type of terrain without compromising overall efficiency. The work area is illuminated by two integrated LED lights with pre-glow and afterglow functions, ensuring safe operation even in low-light conditions. The electronic soft start system reduces initial jolts, providing controlled starts and improving precision during use. In terms of safety, the electric brake enhances protection during operations, while the extreme protection technology XPT shields the tool from dust and water, making it ideal for use in tough working environments. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.